Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House. The Parrot's Wedding. Akbar was very fond of hunting. He would frequently go on hunting expeditions. Slowly, the animals of the forest were decreasing. Birbal was worried. He wanted to let the emperor know that it was wrong to kill animals and birds for pleasure. The next time Akbar went hunting, Birbal accompanied him. Once in the forest, Birbal pretended to know the language of birds. When they passed by a huge banyan tree, they heard a group of parrots chirping loudly. Akbar asked Birbal what they were saying. Birbal said, "They are discussing marriage plans. The groom's father is asking for 5 forests that have no animals in them." "Go on," said Akbar. "The bride's father says he can give not 5 but 10 empty forests. He says the king of this land is so fond of hunting that he can arrange for more if needed." Akbar was shocked. He stopped hunting from that day on. Little Lies. One day, Akbar said to Birbal, "Lying is bad. There are people who tell lies many times in their lives. I have neither told a lie in my life, nor will I ever do so." Birbal said, "Your Majesty, sometimes we lie to avoid hurting someone." Akbar said, "I don't think so. I will never lie." After some days, Birbal told Akbar, "Your Majesty, God appeared in my house and said, He wants to meet the person with the purest heart. I said it can be none other than you. Let's go." Akbar was pleased. He went to Birbal's house. Birbal pointed to the place of worship and said, "There, Your Majesty." But Akbar couldn't see God. What a shame, he thought. But he told Birbal that he had seen God. Birbal smiled mischievously. Akbar asked, "God didn't appear in front of you, did he?" "Birbal, you made me lie." Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.